In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add beats in CapCut PC so you can line up your edits with the music and make your videos feel much more professional. Whether you're editing a montage, a reel-style video, a gaming clip, or a cinematic project, using beats can make a huge difference in your pacing and timing. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy CapCut editing guides. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open CapCut PC and start a new project, or open the project you want to work on. Then, import your video and audio files into CapCut. You can usually do this by dragging the files straight into the media area or by using the import option. Once your files are in, drag and drop your video onto the timeline and then place your audio track underneath it on the audio lane. This is important because the beat markers need to be based on the music track you want to edit to. Now, click directly on the audio track in the timeline so it becomes selected. You want to make sure the music is highlighted before using the Beats tool because CapCut needs to know which audio file you want to analyze. If the wrong clip is selected, the beat markers may not appear where you expect them to. Next, look just above the timeline for the flag icon labeled AutoMark Beats. This is the tool you need, and it's located directly above the timeline controls. Once you find it, click on it to open the beat detection options. CapCut will analyze the selected audio and generate markers based on the rhythm of the track. After that, you'll see the beat level options. If you choose beat 1, CapCut will mark only the primary, major beats in the music. This is great if you want cleaner markers and only need the strongest points in the song. If you choose beat 2, CapCut will mark all the major beats plus the smaller sub-beats, which gives you a more detailed set of markers. This is ideal for faster edits, more precise cuts, or when you want to sync every transition closely to the music. Pick the beat level that matches your editing style. If your video has simple cuts and slow motion, beat 1 may be enough. But if you're doing a fast-paced edit with lots of transitions, overlays, or motion effects, beat 2 can give you much more control. Once the markers are generated, you can use them as reference points while cutting your video. Simply move through the timeline and make your edits on or near the beat markers. This helps your clips, effects, zooms, and transitions feel perfectly timed with the music. It's one of the easiest ways to make your edit look more polished without manually counting every beat yourself. If you want, you can also zoom in on the timeline to see the markers more clearly and make even more accurate adjustments. Then trim, split, or line up your clips with the beat points until everything matches the rhythm of your audio. And that's how to add beats in CapCut PC. It's a simple process, but once you start using AutoMark Beats, you'll save a lot of time and your edits will instantly look more professional. If this video helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more CapCut tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.